Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Just a quick tutorial on how to configure a package. Firstly, you should have your preferred package saved and marked from a Labbayk perspective, which makes it come up on the dashboard here. If it's not on the dashboard here originally and you want to make it appear on your dashboard, I'll show you how. So I'm just going to click on this particular package here and click on View Details. So as you can see now that I'm on this particular screen, it says it's my preferred package. If I was to unclick it, it says now mark as preferred. So if I was on my dashboard, I wouldn't have any particular saved package there. I'll show you. So now that I've come back to the dashboard, you can see here I don't have a preferred package to go to. So the most important thing is to make sure you have already marked as preferred. So that's the first step. I will go and do that now. So I've come up to all the particular packages. I'm going to type in my preferred package and then click search. And then now here I can just click on the love heart. I click on the love heart. It's now going to have that as on my dashboard. You'll see now back on my dashboard, and it's now there sitting as my preferred package. So then the next step is, now that I've got it marked as my preferred, I'm going to make sure I'm going to click View Details. So I've come to the package. I need to scroll all the way down to the bottom if I want to configure my package and click on this particular button here. The next step that I want to do is now choose my rooming configuration. So you can see here if I want to choose a double, triple or quad. And this particular package is a shifting package, so I need to choose accommodation in Mecca, in Azizia, and in Medina. So I want to go twin, so I can only choose twin in Mecca and Medina. And in Azizia, it's giving me the option of triple or quad, but it's going to be quad or quint in Azizia. So you can either one, it doesn't matter. You can see the price is the same, there's no difference, right? It doesn't mean that you're going to get a triple, but then you select your rooming configuration, right? So I've got twin in Mecca, twin in Medina, and it doesn't matter what I choose for Azizia, it's going to be the same. Then I'll click on next. Additional services, I either click on wheelchair if I need a wheelchair, or if I want to buy the Hadi, right? And in this particular person, there's only one person on the profile, so I click on one. It won't let me click more than one, but if I had 2, 3, 4, 5 people on my profile, you could go up to those particular people. Then you click on next. Now it gives me the option about my flights. Here are the service provider flights, the group flights. So I have the option to go from Sydney, from Melbourne, and from Perth on this particular package, or if not, in this particular package I want to show you, by choosing a group flight, I'm going to select Sydney, then the price comes up. Then I can go to the next step and click next. So you can see here now, it's giving me a breakdown of what I'm going to be purchasing from a room configuration, what camp I'm in Mina, the extra services here, the Adhia, what my flight details are. I can have a look at the flight details if I want to. Everything's ready. And then I can click on save this particular configuration, right? It tells me the price here. Obviously, I would want to make sure that my e-wallet balance is enough to cover that particular package for what I'm doing. So then I click on save, and it tells me here that this will be saved and ready for you to purchase once reservations are made or available. This is very, very important. Because I've chosen a group flight, I'll show you how quick it will be to go to the booking process when it goes live. Versus, it says here, if you've got custom flights, they will not be saved. The prices could be changed once reservations are made available, and you need to make sure your wallet has sufficient funds. So I'll then click on OK. And you can now see I'm back on the dashboard, and this particular section has now changed where instead of view details, it's going to booking details. So I've got my booking locked in, ready to go when it comes to packages going live for launch and for purchasing. And this is very, very important and very handy, because what will happen when I log into Nusuk, right? I can, within one button, pressing one button, go straight to this page, which is going to take me to purchasing. So I'll show you now. I'll click on booking details, come directly to this particular page immediately, and rather than saying save configuration, there will be a button which I can click on purchase, making sure that my balance is enough. And all I would do is, within one click, go to this particular page, and I'll be able to click book or purchase, right? That's one click takes me to this particular stage. We're talking a matter of seconds, 2, 3 seconds, depending on the internet, by clicking booking details and then clicking book, right? Book. That's all it would take, a matter of a few seconds to go from the dashboard to this position to click purchase. Say that I've changed my mind and I want to empty my cart, you would come up here and shows the package, and the bottom position here, I've just blurred it out because the personal details is empty cart. So what you do is you click on empty cart. It will then ask me, am I wanting to continue? You click on yes. And you can see it says your package has been removed from the cart. Okay, and then now your dashboard will be empty again, but your preferred package will still remain.